Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all doing well. I hope you are having opportunities to grow, explore, prosper, and at the same time living peaceful, sustainable life. And I also hope that you are creating many more such opportunities. Today, I want to talk about some terms, concepts, ideas, information. I really wish to talk about these concepts because these are interesting, valuable, inspiring for me. And I hope you will like to know about these in a concrete way. There are some beautiful ideas around us which affect our daily life, knowingly or unknowingly, even if we do not think about those. As being a human, we have this beautiful habit of encompassing these ideas into words, sentences, interpretable structure, so that those ideas will not remain vague and can be communicated as a concrete structure. The desire to express, communicate, which lies within us, is utterly astonishing. And this today's video is outcome of that same alive intuition. The first term that I wanted to talk about is value. In my MBA studies, this was the most popular and abundantly used term in marketing. For any product or service to be successful, value is one of the core determining factor. So, what is value? If we Google value, the first few definitions that we will come across are: value is the regard that something is held to deserve the importance, worth, or usefulness of something. The monetary worth of something, market price, principles or standards of behavior, one's judgment of what is important in value. Value is mostly determined in what we will get in return, mostly for ease of calculation in terms of money, but also customer retention, customer satisfaction, sales, etc. What I understand the value is the worth of something. It is an intrinsic core factor of something or someone's identity, be it a product, service, or human figure. It is so ingrained in the identity that the purpose, mission, visions, dreams are inseparably linked with it. Value will decide the image that will be created in receiver's mind. One interesting thing about value is that the creator's identity becomes some of the part of the product or service value as well. Because while creating product or service, the decisions taken at each step of creation are streams from person's personality as well. So whenever we are trying to market or sell or display our product or service, we need to keep evaluating value of it, be it a concrete subject such as mechanical design, machine, building, medicine, vehicle, or more of a artistic thing such as book, painting, song, music, etc. If I'm trying to market a machine, I will keep on asking questions such as what is the use of this machine, how easy it is to use it, how risky is it to use it, is it ergonomic enough, is it aesthetic enough, what is the quality of this machine. All these questions answers and more will determine the value of the machine. If I'm trying to evaluate a photograph, I will keep on asking questions such as what is the mood that this photograph is creating, what feelings is it generating, how effective is the color scheme, what is the theme of this photograph, what is it trying to convey. All the answers of these questions and more will determine the value of a photograph. What I spoke so far brings me to the second term, which is introspection. What I understand by it is trying to find answers about oneself and subject very honestly. It is diving deep into one's concerns, calculating and inspecting facts, and arriving at a deep insight. As every person needs this, so does a product or service that is being marketed. It helps in determining value and strength, weakness, opportunities, threats, also known as SWOT analysis. The reason I am saying this is only to make you realize how important it is to take enough time for these starting stages. That is foundation upon which the whole life cycle of product or service will depend on. I want to stress upon the importance of introspection and realization of value. If the building needs to stand lifelong, the foundation has to be created at its best. One more concept that stems from this is golden circle of why, how, what by Simon Sinek. For success of any product or service, it is important to answer these three questions in a sequence. Why, how, what. This model is so effective that if we are forming any new habit, it will be helpful in that as well. The application of this concept is limitless. Why is why we are creating or marketing something. How is how to create and market something in unique way that will stand us apart from the competition. It is the process taken for something. What is the designed solution of the creation and marketing process of product or service. For example, I'm creating videos. So first I need to ask myself is why am I creating this? There are so many people who are creating videos, then why do I need to create this? Is it because there is something special that I want to convey? Or is it the way in which I want to say it? Do I just want to create video for my own happiness of creativity, or do I plan to earn money from it or popularity? The answer of such questions will determine my why of making the videos. Next, after asking why, I will have to ask how. How I will create video. It is the whole process that I take from idea, writing narration, selecting music, documenting, editing. Each step that I take, how much time I spend on each step, etc. All these questions will determine how I will create the video. And what is the features of my video? Is it soothing? Is it honest? Is it creative? What do I show in my video? Painting process, slow travel, what type of music I use, what is the editing software that I use. It is the small features combined which is my end product or service. Today, I wanted to make you feel the importance and also interest in concepts of marketing, which are not just limited to only product or services but also extend to our human life. I hope you are feeling interest in delving more into this huge ocean of knowledge by just the waves that I shown to you. It will definitely make you smile. Speaking of my current state in art, I am developing a fresh, fearless start and healthy approach of creating for my own satisfaction. I am keeping on introspecting on my purpose here on earth, my current life as me, and trying to regain the insight of my core beliefs. It is definitely helping me in taking right actions towards my vision. Wish you all wonderful day and night. Wish you peace. Wish you progress. Wish you sustainability. Wish you power of creation and nurture. With lots of love, take care. Stay safe. See you again.